Hey everyone! Today, we are gonna use FNF spriteshett and XML generator. First, go to their GitHub page, link in desk. Make sure to turn on desktop site. Now, once you're there, press code. Then click Download Zip. Now wait, I'm gonna skip this. Okay, now press Open. I forgot you should downloads archiver. Then extract it. Then go to Google Play and search Pydroid 3. Then install it. Now just skip these things in the start. Oops, wrong button. It will automatically install Python first, just wait. Then go to Open. Then press Internal Storage and Downloads. Then go to spriteshett and XML folder. Then click XML pngui.py. Then press the yellow button. Then install the libraries. May take a while, I'm just gonna skip this. Also install Pillow, that's important. Now run it. That's it for this video. Bye, and thank you. You can make your FNF character now. Bye.